Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have studied these different types of angles. First one is angle, second is acute angle between 0 and 90, third is obtuse angle, fourth is right angle, and fifth one is straight angle. So today we are going to study two more types of angles which are new to you people. The first one is complete angle. When we made a complete circle to form an angle, we call that angle complete angle. It has measure equal to 360 degree. Okay, you can see this in a Japanese fan. When you fold a Japanese fan completely, you will get a 360 degree angle. So how can we draw a 360 degree angle? This is arm OA. So when I rotate this arm completely, I will complete a complete circle. So I am getting the arm B over the arm A only. So my angle AOB is a complete angle. What do we call this angle? Complete angle. So sometimes we get confused ourselves between complete angle and zero angle. See, in zero angle, the arms doesn't make a complete circle. They are just overlapping each other. But in case of a complete angle, they are making a complete circle. That is why we call it a complete angle. Now coming on to the last type of angle, which is reflex angle. So when the measure of the angle is greater than 180, when it is greater than straight angle but less than complete circle, we call it reflex angle. Suppose I have drawn an acute angle over here. So the outside angle, which is greater than the straight angle but less than the 360 degree angle, complete angle. So we call this angle reflex angle. How can we name it? Suppose the name of angle is given to you AOB. So we name it as reflex angle AOB because we are taking the outside angle and the outside angle is reflex angle. Where you can see it in the half fold of a Japanese fan, you can see a reflex angle. Okay. So these are the two new angles which we are introducing today. The first one is complete angle. The second one is reflex angle. Now what you have to do, either on a sheet of paper or in your notebook, you have to draw these types of angles. How many types we have learned? The first one is zero. Okay, the second one is acute. The third one is right. The fourth one is obtuse. And the fifth one is straight. And today we have learned two more types. The sixth one is complete. And the last one is reflex. So these 7 types you need to draw. Like this, you need to draw like 5 these types and 1 and 2, 7 types, and write about them either on a sheet of paper or on a notebook, and you have to send it to me in a day or two. It will be marked out of 5. Okay, it is an art integrated activity. It is some sort of mind map only. So along with the types of angles, today I am going to discuss one more important thing with you, which is interior and exterior of an angle. Interior and exterior of an angle. So how I am going to relate interior and exterior with daily life? See, all of us played indoor games. Once in a while we all have played indoor games. So you can relate indoor with interior. Indoor are plays inside, so interior are the points which are inside the angle. Suppose I have taken the points P and Q. So what are the points in the interior or inside of the angle? The points P and Q are in the interior of the angle. We can relate exterior with the word exit. It is written on the door exit. Exit means to go outside. So the points which are outside the angle, So here M and N are in the exterior of the angle. So the points in the exterior of the angle are M and N. So very important third region, except interior and exterior, we have the third region, angular region. Angular region is nothing but the interior plus the boundary. Interior plus the boundary. So interior is already P and Q. And the boundary, this is the boundary of the angle. It contains the points A, O, B. So what are the points in the angular region? P and Q, because they are in the interior, and boundary is A, O, B. So there are 3 regions in an angle. The first is interior, the second is exterior, and the last one is angular region. Okay. On the basis of the same, you can solve the questions from worksheet 1 So the questions we had done today are question 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have done till question 6. Okay, in question 1 you have to name the angles. Here I have named them. You can name it using 3 ways. You can use only one way because only 5 is given here. Okay. Question 2 is not to be done because we are already drawing the types of angles on a sheet of paper. Here we have to arrange them on the basis of ascending order. Already I have told you the order. These are the order of the angles, ascending order. Okay. This is the question of interior, exterior and angular region. You can easily find it. Interior is the point inside Y, B and C. Exterior is the point outside A and X and P. Okay, angular region are the points inside as well as the boundary. Okay, here we have to give the another name. To give the another name, you just have to move your pencil. Angle 1 is here, so move your pencil around angle 1. We are getting ABG. Okay, suppose you have to find the another name of AFG, so you will move your pencil along AFG, which is the angle you are getting. Angle 4 we are getting. So by this manner you can do till question 6. Thank you so much. This is for the students who are unable to join due to network error.